Grayscale wins lawsuit against SEC, clears path for Bitcoin spot ETF. In a major victory for the cryptocurrency industry, a federal court has ruled that the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, must reconsider its decision to reject Grayscale Investments' application to launch a Bitcoin spot exchange-traded fund, ETF. The ruling, which was handed down on Tuesday by U.S. District Judge Alison Nathan in Manhattan, is a major setback for SEC Chair Gary Gensler, who has been reluctant to approve a spot Bitcoin ETF. The ruling also opens the door for other cryptocurrency companies to file applications for spot Bitcoin ETFs. Grayscale had filed its application to convert its flagship Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC, into an ETF in October 2021. The SEC rejected the application in June 2022, citing concerns about the potential for market manipulation. Grayscale sued the SEC in July 2022, arguing that the SEC's decision was arbitrary and capricious. The company also argued that the SEC had approved other Bitcoin-related products, such as Bitcoin futures ETFs, which raised questions about why it was refusing to approve a spot Bitcoin ETF. In her ruling, Judge Nathan agreed with Grayscale, finding that the SEC had failed to provide a rational basis for its decision to reject the application. She also found that the SEC had not adequately considered the potential benefits of a spot Bitcoin ETF, such as increased investor choice and market liquidity. The ruling is a major victory for the cryptocurrency industry, which has long argued that a spot Bitcoin ETF is essential for the growth of the market. The ruling also sends a message to the SEC that it cannot arbitrarily deny applications for Bitcoin-related products. It is unclear when the SEC will make a decision on Grayscale's application. However, the ruling is a major step forward for the approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF. The impact of the ruling. The ruling is likely to have a significant impact on the cryptocurrency market. A spot Bitcoin ETF would make it easier for investors to buy and sell Bitcoin, which could lead to increased demand for the cryptocurrency. This could also lead to higher prices for Bitcoin. The ruling could also lead to more institutional investment in Bitcoin. Institutional investors, such as pension funds and hedge funds, have been reluctant to invest in Bitcoin because it is not a regulated asset. A spot Bitcoin ETF would make it easier for these investors to invest in Bitcoin,